how to clone a project in Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to clone a project in Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 into your browser, sign into your Base44 account, and then click on the apps button at the top left of your screen at the right side of the Base44 logo. Now on the apps tab, go ahead and open the application that you want to clone. So go ahead and open that project that you want to clone. So click on that project to open it, and that will take you into this section. So in here, you just need to wait for this to load, and then once this is done loading, you can go ahead and proceed with the dashboard tab. So click on the dashboard tab and then click on settings under it, and then click on app settings. Scroll down and look for clone app from here, and then click on this create copy button at the right side of the clone app section, and that will allow you to create a copy of that project. So that is how you can basically clone a project in Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.